Next project, the Beast, a Powermatic 72 from 1968. These were industrial bomb-proof machines. Could swing a 12 or 14-inch blade. They make the Powermatic 66 of the Delta Unisaw look like a toy. So there's a 66. There's a 72 without the top. This right here is just the center section of the top, and that dwarfs the whole Powermatic 66 top. So this will be quite the project. Looking forward to upping my game a little bit here. Looks to be in great shape. Came from a school shop, and bought it from a guy in Tennessee, a mechanic who went to school and used it in that shop class and bought it. Hoping to restore it, but never got around to it, and really looking forward to bringing it back to life like he was hoping to. So should be a fun one. Odds and ends here. There's a dust door, original fence, original miter gauge, so should be pretty good. Okay, the Powermatic 72 is coming apart. Taking stock of everything. Here you can see all the nameplates and so forth. This nameplate was broken already. Pounded the rivets out, and I think we'll be able to glue it back together and make a pretty good fix here. I think a little epoxy or super glue will work good there. The other nameplate looks in excellent condition here. Hand wheels with the old school red plastic knobs and these chromed locking knobs in the middle. Started to remove loose paint and dust and rust, etc. It's coming pretty good. Everything's cleaning up well. And wire brush and so forth in here. Everything moves freely. I don't think I'm going to actually take this one completely apart since it's so massive and so heavy. And everything looks good. I'm able to get in here. There's so much room. I'm able to get in here without having to take everything apart. So coming along pretty good. And then here's the motor mount. It's a face mount motor, and so I'll order up a motor, single phase, and match the electrics to go with it. Alright, after a little super glue and a little bit of sort of cardboard backing, cardstock backing on this, the two pieces are joined together. And then I used a little bit of silver, sort of metallic marker. Sharpie makes a bunch of metallic colors that are good for touch-up. And I put that on the Powermatic lettering. And you'd be hard-pressed to know that was two pieces if you were just looking at it quickly. I like these plastic Powermatic labels from the 60s and 70s. I've got several machines with them on them. They're sort of a classic era, very representative of that era, 60s, 70s. They put them on virtually all their machines. And this planer here was from a little bit earlier, 1963. They didn't quite have those plastic labels yet, but I had one left over from another project, so I mounted it over here on the side just for fun. So these badges are looking good, and I got the cabinet all sanded and wire brushed, and we're getting ready for paint.